Hello, and today I want to introduce you to Mr. Alan Forex's trading portfolio. This is not a trading robot, but it is a trading account that I've been managing for a couple of years now. In fact, this account started in 2018 and I wasn't really doing much with it, just testing and playing around with it. However, in January 2020, I completely overhauled this account and started to use trading robots. From 2018 until this date, we've had a 200% growth. But if you just take it from January 2020, when I installed the trading robots, it's actually returned 450%. And we'll take a deeper look into this. This is a longer term strategy targeting 5% returns a month. And here is the MyFX book details from 2018. As I've mentioned, you can visit this live on the MyFX book link on the top right. However, as mentioned, it's only from January 2020 when I installed the trading robots did it start to go somewhere. So this is what it looks like from January 2020. You can view this yourself if you adjust the start date from the MyFX book link. We're at all-time highs and we are not looking to stop. So what's the point of showing you all this? Well, I've now attached it to a copying service so you can copy all my trades. You just need to follow the link there on the page. There is a 2-week free trial so you can test it for yourself, and if you're not happy, then you're free to cancel. If you do want to join, it's a monthly contract so you're not tied in and you can cancel anytime. The beauty of copy trading is that you don't need to even install MetaTrader anywhere or run a VPS. You just attach it to the account to the copy service, and every time I open and close a trade, this is copied to your account. You can use any broker for this service. Appreciate there are spread differences depending on your broker, but all trades have larger pip targets from 20 to over 100 pips, so it's not spread nor is it execution time sensitive. And now I want to show you what happens when you click on the link. So this is the copier page. If you're interested, you can come here, you click on the link and you'll see all the stats. If you're interested in following this, you just click on the follow signal and it will tell you what to do next, how to connect it to your account and how to get it trading. And in the middle section here, you can see the trading stats. So you can have a look at the number of wins versus the number of losses. There have been 888 trades. You can see 64% of those have been winning, therefore 35% have been losing. So you can see 208 out of 357s have been longs, which have won. So they're the buy trades. And then you've got 364 out of 529, which have been the short or sell trades, which have won. Scrolling to the midsection here, you can see these are the winning trades per hour. Winners are the blue ones, the yellow ones are the losers. So yeah, we can see there's more blue than yellow. So that's good. And then clicking on the daily tab, you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the percentage or proportion of winners to losers. Once again, blues are the winners and yellow are the losers. And now if we look at monthly, this is what we've made so far, 7% in a month, and this is the breakdown of the various Forex pairs which have been trading. Now scrolling down, you can look at the trade history as well. So this will include obviously all the trade history all the way back to 2018 if you want to check that. But where we've installed the trading robots was January 2020. So if you look from that date, you'll see that this is where it all went up and has been doing very well. And when I started this in September 2018, it didn't really happen much. Nothing really happened here, so nothing really worthy of note. But I've kept all the history for transparency. And going back down to the trade history, yeah, like I said, you can scroll all the way down and have a look at all the trades, look at the stop losses, look at the take profits. Just use that to check and validate that you're completely happy with it. So the key points: it is a 2-week free trial, no commitment, no tie-in. If you decide it's not for you, then that's totally fine. It is a long-term strategy. There is no martingale or grid or averaging techniques, no small take profit versus a massive stop. Each trade is independent of each other with a stop and target. I am running a portfolio of trading robots on the account, and I'll be rotating trading robots in and out of the portfolio to suit current market conditions. As we're not scalping for small pips, it should work on any broker that you choose. And with this kind of thing, there's the standard financial disclaimer that you should be aware of. The main thing is that we cannot guarantee results. Having great results so far doesn't mean we will continue to have great results. By showing you this is not a recommendation but for your education. If you sign up, then it's at your own risk, and Mr. Alan Forex is not responsible for any loss. And that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.